much to learn about. It'll make you want to shout, Meekah! Hi, it's me, Meekah. And today we're at Nailed It DIY Studio in Orlando, Florida. DIY means do it yourself. And today we're gonna build and make art. I can't wait. Come on. Whoa, look at all of this stuff. These are all signs that people have made, and that's what I get to make today. Oh, look, this box says meow. Oh, I wonder if it's something that you could put cat treats in or cat food. Oh, and look at this one. All guests must be approved by the dog. That's really funny. Oh, I see some paint colors down here. Let's see how many colors they have. A lot. Oh, I wonder if they have two of my favorite colors. Do you know what they are? Oh, they're purple and yellow. And they're right next to my best friend Blippi's favorite colors, blue and orange. Huh, that's cool. Wow, these are all the different wood pieces that you can use to make art. Oh, look at this one. It's pretty small. You can have a small sign that says, welcome. Or, whoa, look at this. This giant rectangle could make a really cool sign, and it could hold a lot of words. Maybe it could say something like, welcome friends, come on inside for snacks and games and good times. We love our friends, welcome. And here's a square. 1, 2, 3, 4 even sides. And there's bigger squares up there. Oh, cool, a circle. A small circle and a really big circle. Which one should I choose? I think I like this one, the medium stacked square. That's number 07. We have to remember that, 07. Okay, come on. Oh, hi Margie.
Oh, hi Meekah.
Hi, how are you?
Good, how are you?
I'm pretty good. I'm excited to make art today.
Awesome. So did you pick a size?
Yes, number 07.
Perfect. And did you want to add anything to that?
Oh, maybe that silver hook right there.
Okay.
Oh, and can I also have that bow tie for my best friend?
Absolutely. So we have your station set up over here. You ready to get started?
Yeah, let's do it.
All right, let's go.
All right, let's go. Okay, we have everything we need. We have lots of cool paint, two of my favorite colors, purple and yellow. Oh, well, this one's called dandelion. Fancy. And we have pearl and latte. We also have a paint roller, easily put on the paint. And we have some sponges. We have silver hooks. And we have our crown stapler, our power stapler, and the stacked wood piece that I picked out. See, it's actually 4 little pieces. And when they're stacked together, it makes one beautiful square. And what are these for?
So these are actually to hold the wood stacked pieces together.
Oh, okay, makes sense. So what's the first thing we need to do?
So your first step is to put a line of glue on each one and then flip them over.
Okay, I think I can do that. Okay. Now what?
So we have these lines here, and those
yeah.
are actually where you are going to put the staples.
Oh, so these lines, it's like a little guide.
Exactly. So first we are going to put our safety glasses on.
Oh, right. If we're gonna use a power tool, we need to be nice and safe. And remember, only use a power stapler if you are with a grown-up. Whoa, you're really good at that.
Think you can do that?
Yeah.
All right.
So I'm gonna follow the black lines. That's my guide. All right, good teamwork.
You are a pro.
Oh,
You did
thank
good.
you.
All right, so now you're gonna flip it over.
And there you have it. Look at this perfect square. What's the next step?
So the next step is we're gonna take it to the sanding station where you're gonna make it smooth.
Ooh, let's make it smooth. Come on.
So this is the sander.
Okay.
What you're gonna do is put one hand here, one hand under here. There is a power button that you wanna push.
Okay.
Once it's on, you are gonna run it over the whole thing until it's as smooth as a piece of paper.
Oh, all right. Well, why do you want it super smooth?
It helps the paint stick to the wood.
Oh, okay. So let's make this super smooth. Time to sand.
So we are going to choose your base color. So we're gonna look at your stencil.
Yes, I can't wait to see.
All right, so this is the stencil we have for you.
Wow, look at this. An ice cream cone, one of my favorite sweet treats. And that's my name and my headband. Oh, and this is gonna be my bag. And this other stencil will help make it really look like my bag. Oh, I love it. Okay, so for the base, I'm thinking purple.
Yes,
Yeah.
that is a good color.
Okay, so I can just put it everywhere?
Yep, so you're just gonna squeeze that over the top of the wood.
Okay. Okay, and I get to use this really fun paint roller to spread it all over the wood.
So you're gonna paint the top and then all of the sides.
All right, now we just wait for it to dry?
Actually, we have a way to dry it quicker.
Oh, how?
So we are going to use this blow dryer.
You've probably seen a blow dryer before. It's to dry your hair.
So there is that. You are gonna blow dry it on the base setting.
Okay. Cool. Is it ready?
Ready to go.
Okay, turn it to base, and let's dry!
Okay, we are dry.
Wow! Okay, now what? Oh, it is dry. Cool.
So now what you wanna do is sand it until it's smooth again so that we can put the stencil on.
Okay.
This time I'm gonna give you a piece of sandpaper as well so you can sand over the top of it.
Nice. Oh, cool! It's purple sandpaper, and it's really rough. But this rough piece of paper will make this smooth. Hey, those are opposites, rough and smooth. Woo! Bobby pin. All right, like this?
So you're gonna go back and forth over the whole thing, just like that. Yes, perfect.
Okay.
All right, so your board is nice and smooth. We are ready for the stencil.
Yes, all right.
So the stencil has a couple of layers. We are going to peel the white layer off first.
Oh, it's like a giant sticker.
Yes. All right, so I'm gonna hand you one side,
Okay.
and we are gonna center it on your board together. I think that looks good. What do you think?
I think it's pretty good, yeah.
Okay, so we're just gonna stick this on.
Okay.
I'm gonna give you a squeegee.
A squeegee?
Yes.
I know what that is.
This is your squeegee.
Yeah.
What you wanna do is run it over the whole thing, and you see how it turns a little bit darker?
Mm-hmm.
That's how you know it's really stuck to the wood.
Cool. And this is gonna push all the bubbles out.
Yes.
Okay. Bye, bubbles.
So now that it's all stuck to the wood, what I want you to do is peel this top layer off. We're
Okay.
actually gonna start from over here
Ah.
and pull down towards you, slow and low.
Slow and low, my favorite way to go. Oh, wait. Oh, come on, sticker. Lana did it! Wow, that looks cool already.
All right, so now we're ready to paint.
Yes, all right. So, I'm gonna start with the ice cream cone, and I'm going to use pearl. That way it would look like vanilla, one of my favorite flavors.
So what you want to do is dip the wide end of the sponge, that end of the sponge, into the paint.
Okay.
Take a look at it. Does it look wet?
Yep.
That's too much paint.
Oh no.
So what you want to do is dab it off, and you can use the paper or you can use the plate.
Okay, I'll dab on the plate there.
All right, look at it now. Does it look wet?
Nope.
You're good to go. So now you're gonna just dab up and down
Okay,
over the whole thing.
like this. And is it okay if it gets on the blue part?
Yes, it is.
Okay.
It's a stencil, so that part is gonna come off.
All right, so let's cover this ice cream cone. Okie doke.
Perfect. So now you can pour your next color for the cone.
Ooh, and the cone, I'm going to make that a latte. You look like a sugar cone. I'm gonna be careful because I don't want it to get on the top of the ice cream cone.
But even if it does, we can always fix it.
Oh, you know what? I like your attitude, Margie. Okay, that cone's looking pretty tasty.
Yes, it is.
All right.
So what color did you want to paint your name?
Oh, my name, I want it to be yellow.
Yes, I love it. All right, so let's go ahead and pour the yellow.
Okay. So yellow there. Wide end. Dab, dab, dab.
You got it.
Oh yeah, now I'm feeling like a pro over here. Now, let's see. My headband is yellow, so I'll just use the same yellow. Margie,
What happened?
I need 2 more colors for my bag.
You're right.
Do you know what colors are on my bag? Yep, blue and orange.
All right, so go ahead and pick the blue and orange that you want.
Okay.
Down there.
Oh, this is good. And, oh, this.
Ooh.
Yeah, this will look cool. Okay, do we need the other stencil yet or no?
Not yet. So
Okay.
what we're gonna do with this is once we peel this up, we'll put this one on so it really makes it look like your bag.
Awesome. So I should start with this one, I think. Dab, 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 and get the whole bag.
Perfect. All right, so take a look at it. Do you like it like that, or do you want to do another coat?
I think I like it like that.
Perfect. So we are going to give this one good blow dry again,
Okay.
and then we're ready to peel.
All right, let's do it.
So this time you are going to blow dry on the stencil setting, and just be careful, it is powerful. We don't want everything flying away.
Okay, I'll be careful. Here we go. Whoop! Ah, this is powerful.
It's dry. So now it is reveal time.
Oh, okay.
You ready?
Yeah.
So we're gonna turn it this way because we wanna peel the stencil against the grain.
Oh, okay.
Do you know what wood grain is?
You can explain it.
Okay. So the wood grain are the lines that you see in the
Oh,
wood.
that's right. Yeah.
So if the lines of the wood are going this way, we
Mhm.
wanna peel this way.
Oh, gotcha. Against the grain. Okay.
Exactly. So you're gonna start with one corner and then peel down towards you.
Towards this corner or each?
Down towards you.
So,
Yes.
all right. Let's see how it looks. Whoa. Uh-oh, there's a little piece
That's
stuck.
okay. It can rip, it can tear, that's totally fine.
Whoop, there we go. Whoa! That looks so cool.
How good you did.
Wow, check it out.
So now we are ready to put the other part of your bag on.
Oh, that's right. We have another stencil.
So I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm just gonna peel the backing off and we will center it together.
Okay. You good?
Looks good to me.
Okay.
All right, ready?
Let's commit.
Oh, we did it! You're ready for your paint.
All right, let's get the orange on there. I think that looks pretty good. Okay, do you remember what comes next? We have to dry it.
Yes, okay.
Okay, now what setting should I put it on?
So you're gonna be on the stencil setting.
Makes sense. Here we go.
That's powerful.
There you go. Whoop.
Everything's about to fly.
I know.
Okay, so do you remember the wood lines?
Oh yes, you want to go against the grain.
Yes.
So we want to go this way?
Correct.
Okay. There's my bag. It looks so good. Oh, this is so cool. So now I just need 2 hooks because I want to be able to hang my headband and my bag.
All right, so we have the hooks right here.
Okay.
I'm gonna have you pick 2 hooks out of there.
Yep, 2 hooks. Whoop. Okay, we have 1, 2.
So we are going to be using a power tool again.
Okay,
So we need our safety glasses.
You know it, safety first.
So I will drill the little holes to get the hook started, and then you'll screw the hooks in.
Sounds good.
Let's put this one right here.
Okay.
Okay, you're ready
All
for the
right,
hooks.
2 holes, and here we go. So I can just twist them in, right?
Correct.
Almost there. There we go. It's finished. Wow, look at the sign. I love it so much. Thank you, Margie, for all your help in helping me make this awesome Meekah sign.
You are so welcome.
Well, I guess I'll see you around.
Yeah, sounds good. We'll
All
see
right.
you next time.
All right, have a good one. Thanks
Bye.
again.
You're
Bye. Hey, wasn't that so fun making this really cool Meekah sign? Today, I got to build a sign, sand it, and paint it. Art is so much fun. Thanks for playing with me. Well, this is the end of this video, but if you want to see more of my videos, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Cool. Oh, we can spell it right here on the sign. Ready? M-E-E-K-A-H. Meekah. Well, we'll see you next time. Bye.
Come on, everyone, let's make learning fun. Meekah, Meekah. So much to learn about, it'll make you want to shout, Meekah!